Hello everyone, this is Kamal Bunkar, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can create a city range. Suppose you are creating a taxi booking app or food delivery app or any other kind of app where you need to find out whether the user belong to your city or not. So how you can do all these things? So the concept is very simple. We need to use Google Map API. So it is called as GeoFire. So we have built one taxi booking app for one of my client using Flutter, and the server side is in PHP and MySQL, and also we are using Firebase real-time database and the cloud messaging. So in this app we are checking whether user current location is belong to the city range or not. If it is not, so we will show a message like service is not available, or if the user is available, user can select the services like a sedan car, mini car or auto, whatever is available in our system. And one more thing, we are also working on the blockchain development. So we are making one app which is crypto trading app, same like WajirX. So where you can purchase the cryptocurrency and you can see the report, and even we are making some custom algorithm where everything will be in automation. So you will set some funneling. So the funneling is a term where you can set some parameter and automatically everything will work for you. So we are also working on that one. So it will be released in next month. So I will show you the video of that app as well, and what are the technology we have used for this crypto trading app as well. So let's first talk about this thing, the city range, how you can make the city range. So now I am going to show you a live example. I have built one taxi booking app for one of my client. So we have implement the same feature in this app. So let's see how it will look, and then we will add the city from the admin panel. So first, okay, so you can see this is one simple app. It looks like a Ola app because the customer requirement is to build app same like Ola. So we try to build it same like Ola. So these are some dummy banners only. So let me search for some location. Right now the city is not available. I am searching ISBT Dehradun. Okay, ISBT Dehradun. Service is not available in this region. So how we detect it? We are using a GeoFire service. So we have built one API where I will pass source and destination of the user, and then we will detect whether this source and destination belong to the city region or not. So we can manage the city from the admin panel. Right now inside the India, if I will go to the city, or first state then city. So Uttarakhand, as you can see there is no city, and create one city. So I am going to create one city, Dehradun. Now I can create a range. So in this map, first I will go to the Dehradun. Let me minimize it. Dehradun is there. Okay, now using this mouse click I can create the range. So right now I am going to create one range, something like that. Okay, I will cover this Dehradun, even the Mussoorie I can cover like that. So you need to draw a polyline. Okay, if I want to cover the airport, so I can cover it, but for now only I am going to create a simple city. So this is my city right now, and once it is done I will click on the add. The city has added successfully in my admin panel. So now from the app I am again going to search for the location. So this time again I am going to search ISBT. Okay, so right now there is only one service available for this ISBT location. Okay, and if thing, and I can book the ride as well. This is okay. So this is how you can create a polyline in your admin panel. So first you need to create a city range. Okay, so it can be a custom range. You can create a polyline using a mouse pointer, and then from app you need to pass the latitude and longitude. Okay, and there is API GeoFire, you need to use that API, and you need to enable the Google Map API for your account as well. So Google Map API is a paid one. For some limit it is free, but after a certain limit you will charge for the access to that API. So now I hope you got the idea how you can create the city range and detect whether user belong to city or not. Okay. And in my last video, if you forget it, so you can see in my YouTube video, so how you can make a call using a virtual number. And if you are looking for some taxi booking app or e-commerce app or even the Bitcoins, so we are also working on the crypto trading app where we have used the custom algorithm and we will generate a report, and some prediction algorithm is there. So we will also provide the report about the future trading options where you can invest. And another important thing, we are making a automation where everything will be in automation. So automatically if coins reach certain limit, or the price is going up or going down, so automatically that trading will start. So this is also available in our trading app. So if you are looking for the blockchain app development, so please contact us. We are very happy to serve you. We have the team of developers who work on the blockchain, Node.js, and Shopify, WordPress, Magento. So if you have any requirement about the app development, please contact us. So every detail is available in my website. So you can visit blueappsoftware.com or whether dripcoding.com. So in both the website you can see my contact detail and the chat box is available. So you can contact me on the WhatsApp as well. Every detail is available in description. So see you soon. And if you have any doubt, any question, so just comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe me.